Hello. This is a short introduction in how to use the online library system at University of Maryland Baltimore campus, UMBC, and it's part of the Leading Global and Virtual Teams course in the Engineering Management curriculum. So to start off, we just get to My UMBC by logging in. Then we can go to the left navigation menu system and go to the guide. And then when we get to the guide, we can likewise go to the left navigation system and select library. We'll be using the Albert O. Kuhn Library and Gallery. So we'll click on this, library.umbc.edu. And we get to home, and you'll notice that we have databases as a choice that we can select. And these are online databases of journal articles and magazine articles that you can use in your research or for readings and courses that you'll be taking. So there's two primary libraries databases that we'll be using, EBSCO and JSTOR. Let's take a look at EBSCO. So I'll type in under search EBSCO, click search, and then it will bring up the EBSCO page for us to look at. I'm going to use the Business Source Complete. So we'll select Business Source Complete, and then we get a Google-like search ability, and we can type in, a topic of interest. So let's type in global virtual teams, and we'll do a search on that. And it'll come back with a list of articles that are relevant to our particular search criteria. And we can peruse those and decide which one is of interest. Let's say that this is one that we're interested in, so we'll click on it. It then gives us an abstract, some more information, reference and citing type information. And if we want, we can also click on a PDF text for that particular article. So I'll do that right now. And we can read the article in the browser, or we can come up and click the download PDF button and download the article to our local PC, where we can read it at our leisure. Now, if it turns out that the Business Source Complete did not have what we were interested in, then what we can do is select another set of libraries in addition to Business Source Complete. So it may turn out that sometimes an article isn't in the Business Source Complete collection. So then we can come back to our main screen and select or click Choose Databases. And then we'll, at this time, select All Databases right there, and then click OK. It gives us a warning that may slow our response time down. But if we didn't find it in Business Source Complete, then this is a good alternative. And then we click OK. And we come back to our Google-like search, and then we can search, and hopefully at that time we will find our article in one of the other databases in EBSCO collection. So that's how we find articles for EBSCO. we can also search for articles in JSTOR, which is another popular collection. So we'll come back to our main page for the University of Maryland Library System. And instead of EBSCO, we'll type in JSTOR and do a search. And it comes up with our JSTOR database. So we'll come down and select it. Again, we get a Google-like search capability, and in this one I'll just type in Hayek and make that an author search, and then knowledge, and I'll leave it in all fields, and then I'll do a search. And JSTOR comes back with a result set. I'm interested in the article by Frederick Hayek, The Use of Knowledge in Society. So here we see it. We can, of course, click on this and get an abstract and the reference information, which, of course, we have here as well. Or we could download the PDF so that we can read it at our leisure on our local PC. So this is quite a powerful set of tools that the university offers to you, and we'll be using them for selective readings in our course, Leading Global and Virtual Teams. Thank you.